probably spent more time at my desk than most, especially for someone who previously wasn't working from home. It wasn't enough for me to justify investing in a chair. That all changed with lockdown, and a change in business's mindset going forward. My current chair was a simple black dining chair with no ergonomics to speak of. Over time, I added a fur cover from IKEA to deal with the hard plastic structure of the chair, which would press against my back, and eventually an affordable plastic slip-on attachment to provide lumbar support. This did the job for some time, and it was affordable. But like your bed, when you're spending 8 hours or more of your day on something, it's worthwhile investing in. In comes the Herman Miller COSM. The Herman Miller COSM isn't cheap by any means. The configuration I ordered was £800, and it can be configured a little cheaper, but it can also be configured and become a lot more expensive. The configuration you see here is a mid-sized chair with no armrest and in midnight blue from head to toe. Unlike the Herman Miller Embody and other desk chairs you're used to sitting in, the COSM can only be adjusted in height, using the color matched lever on the right of the chair. This is intentional, as the COSM is designed to mold to your body thanks to the curved and mesh design of the seat, and it does it superbly. The mesh fabric in addition also allows for two other benefits. The mesh fabric allows for improved airflow, therefore the chair is naturally cool. And unlike hard fabric padded chairs, sitting in the COSM feels more like you're floating. This feeling of floating goes hand in hand with the back tilting mechanism, which is perfectly balanced to gently take your weight as you lean back. Finally, the wheels on the COSM can be configured for different surfaces. In my case, I chose the carpet rollers. They are smooth and easily allow you to move your chair around while seated. So for £800, can I justify the price? Absolutely. Compared to my previous chair, the comfort is night and day, but that's not difficult considering my previous chair was never designed to be a desk chair. However, what really allows me to justify such a purchase is the amount of time I spend in this chair. It's always important to grade investments based on usage, and with the shift of attitude to working from home and a Herman Miller's 12-year guarantee, an investment of $800 becomes very little over the course of those 12 years and beyond. And looking further into the future, a second-hand Herman Miller chair can still retain a lot of value in the resale market.